Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by typing the exact claim into Google, using quotes for exact phrases so results are precise. Once done, choose News or All to broaden reach, because different collections surface different fact checks. Make sure to scan for visible fact check labels and the publisher name. This tells you whether independent fact checkers reviewed the claim. If nothing appears, try alternate keywords or a shorter phrase. Precision often reveals the first verified sources. You need to evaluate credibility. You now dig into the chosen fact check article and ask, who published this and when, because context matters. Once you know that, compare the original claim to the evidence presented and follow any primary sources cited to confirm chains of verification. Make sure to examine images or video with reverse image search, since visual manipulation is common. If methodology is transparent, you can trust the conclusion more. If flimsy, flag the claim for further cross-checking with other reputable fact-checkers. You finish by categorizing the claim as verified, mixed, or false, and write a short rationale that links back to the evidence you found. Then, share the finding with a concise summary and the primary fact-check source so others can see the basis. If you hit a dead end, no fact checks, conflicting reports, or old dates, broaden your search terms, check archives, and verify timestamps. This troubleshooting step resolves most gaps and prevents spreading outdated or misleading information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.